The Salers are so gone. You gonna take the beat for me, baby? You gonna do it? Come on. Once upon a time, not long ago, I was out here just doing the most. Then one day, I met this guy. He's so sweet and oh so kind. He said, "Hey, miss, are you alone?" I turned around. I dropped my phone. He said, "Baby girl, don't you fear, cause Boaz is right over here." I rolled my eyes. You know, I gave him a side eye. Yeah, that's right. Now, whoever thought he would make me his wife just 60 days from that night? So it's so gone. We're so gone. And the romance keeps rocking on. Romance keeps rocking on. And you don't stop. And you don't quit. Now, if you're feeling the vibe and you're feeling alright, just wait your turn for Mr. Right. Weeping may endure for a night, but God said in the morning it would be alright. Believe it. So gone. I'm telling you, believe it. He said, weeping may endure for a night, but in the morning it'll be alright. Believe it. So gone.